wonderful to see so many beautiful women in this room. Please give yourselves another round of applause.
So, in honor of my mother, who was an amazing cook, 4'10", full of life, thank you so much.
I'm Nelly Galan, and I'm here today at the Utah Hispanic Chamber of Commerce, and I'm excited because we are empowering women, Latinas, in entrepreneurship, because Latinas are the #1 emerging market in the world. There's so many opportunities, and they're all in entrepreneurship. So I'm excited to get things going today here. And I want you to remember that it's never too late to right the wrongs of your life. In order to be chosen, we have to choose ourselves first. It's important to remember, I said don't buy shoes, buy buildings in the video. You have to invest in yourself and choose yourself first. We have to engage the entrepreneurial gene.